In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on subtitles here in Fortnite Chapter 7. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help with the channel and let us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you can do this on PC, console, mobile, it doesn't really matter. What you're going to want to do is select your profile icon up at the very top and then go down to this little settings gear icon and then go to the third tab up at the very top. This is going to be the communication tab, and here you can also enable text chat and set it to everybody if you want to see all your options. But essentially what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and navigate after changing that to the audio tab, which is going to be that fifth tab now, which is going to be that second tab now. And if you scroll down on this option, you're going to see a specific tab for subtitles. It is kind of hidden, so make sure you do scroll, but essentially go ahead and select options right here. And it's going to show you what it looks like. Turn subtitles on, and you can adjust the rest of this accordingly. Like, for example, you can make them yellow. You can increase the size. You can have a border. It's kind of up to you. And then, of course, you could also change that opacity as well. Whenever you're done, just make sure that you hit apply, and that is it. That is how you can turn on subtitles here in Fortnite Chapter 7. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channels with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.